In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to revoke cryptocurrencies. Drop this video a like if you find value and subscribe to the channel. Open up the wallet or wallets or address where you would like to revoke the cryptocurrency. In this case, I have a wallet address opened up, and when I click under settings and then I click on my profile and I scroll down, you can see here under token allowances there is a sign or a symbol, and it says that this person 0x or entity has access to my cryptocurrency wallet. It even says to keep your assets safe. It's a good practice to regularly revoke allowances. So in this case, we're going to click revoke. Now this revoke allowances says USDC, unlimited USDC. So this person has access to revoke or take away as much USDC in this cryptocurrency wallet. You may even get a warning sign as well, which is saying this transaction may be starting to till your funds. Are you sure you want to continue? There may even be a network fee, or there might be an error as I'm currently getting this. I'm currently trying to scroll down to the screen. Okay, now we're getting a message called provoke pending. You may have noticed I had to quickly tap in order to provoke, or else I would be unable to revoke this token. So I reloaded my wallet and then I clicked settings, and then when I scroll down I can still see token allowances, which was allowed, and this has not been revoked. As you guys clearly saw that I clicked revoked. So under transactions you can see I even executed a smart contract, and when I scroll down to the history on this wallet it said that the smart contract has been executed. Previously or after that I just sent some Ethereum, and this is fishy guys because you want to keep yourself safe. And that's why never keep as much crypto as you're willing to lose in a wallet. Or should I say, you want to diversify your cryptocurrency holdings into other wallets. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.